I mean, we have gone through a lot. There was a time there was no money to for my mom to pay my school fees.
30 साल 30 साल साथ बिताया हम लोगों ने।
मेरी जर्नी आई थिंक रोहित के बिना वैसे भी कंप्लीट नहीं होती। जब हमने काम शुरू किया था, ही जॉइंड एज एन असिस्टेंट।
Ajay always stood by me. Like whatever I am today, I am because of him. He always stood by me. आज मैं यहाँ एक डायरेक्टर की हैसियत से नहीं आया हूँ। आज आप ये कह सकते हैं कि मैं देवगन फिल्म्स का बहुत ही पुराना एम्प्लॉय हूँ, उस हैसियत से आया हूँ। मेरी कहानी की जर्नी एक नाम के बिना अधूरी है और वो नाम है अजय देवगन। आप सब उसे अजय देवगन कहते हैं, मैं बॉस कहता हूं। 30 साल साथ बिताया हम लोगों ने। ये रिश्ता चंद फ्राइडेज का नहीं है, 2 जनरेशंस का है।
मेरी जर्नी आई थिंक रोहित के बिना वैसे भी कंप्लीट नहीं होती। जब हमने काम शुरू किया था, ही जॉइंड एज एन असिस्टेंट और तब से ही इज़ बिन पार्ट ऑफ द फैमिली। एंड मैं एक बात सच्ची कहूँगा कि आज तक इतना प्राइड मैं किसी में नहीं लेता हूँ जितना रोहित में लेता हूँ कि अ बॉय हु स्टार्टेड विथ मी आज देखिए आप कहाँ पहुँच गया। सिर्फ अपनी मेहनत से, लगन से, शुरू में सीख के, और अब आप सबने देखा क्या है। सो थैंक यू रोहित, थैंक यू सो मच। काम के अलावा जो हरकतें लोग बचपन में 15-16 साल की उम्र में करते थे, हम ऐसा शायद 22-23-24 साल की उम्र में करते थे। मेरे डैड बहुत नाराज़ होते थे, एक दूसरे की हम बातें छुपाते थे, मार खाते थे, एक दूसरे के लिए डांट खाते थे और एक दूसरे के लिए बहुत झूठ भी बोलते थे।
Ajay always stood by me. Like whatever I am today, I am because of him. He always stood by me.
I mean, we have gone through a lot. There was a time there was no money to for my mom to pay my school fees. We had to shift from. We were staying in the suburb of Mumbai, and then we have to shift some far away because of the rents, and our house was taken away, cars were taken away. So yeah, we have gone through that hardship, but never was a day that I blamed anyone. Never was a day that I looked up and said, "God, why me?" Never. It never happened. That's not me. So I don't know why. I don't have any scientific reason or for that or spiritual reason for that, but that's me. And it was a tough journey, but I was always happy and positive, and I think because of that I'm here today. I was assistant to Viru Devgan, and that was my learning experience. I was a trainee, and that was my schooling, I would say.
Right.
And then I started doing the same thing in my films. It's become like an iconic thing. Like
Right,
whenever
right.
Ajay comes in Golmaal, now it's becoming tougher. Like kis pe layenge types. My first film was at 20 when I started directing. My first film was around 25, 26. Zameen was like
Right.
Golmaal is not my first film. I made my
Right,
first
right,
film
right.
in 2001. No, I had taken a call that what I have to do in life. Like if I go to college also, where will I get money to buy clothes? That was the biggest agenda. So I started, and I wanted to do this. And then one day I sat and I decided that I have to be here and I have to do this. Then why to wait? Let's start now. And I went to Viruji and I said that I want to start working. And he said, "Okay, chal, aaja."
I used to work with Viru Devgan sir,
Right.
it's Ajay's dad. For a long time I did, like around 17, 18 years I worked together.
It happens in life. What from your mistakes or from your downfall is you need to learn. You need to analyze what went wrong, and not only from your failure, from your success also.
Me and Ajay started working because my fathers were friends.
Right.
And that's how Fool or Kate happened to me also. And then rest is like it's been 28 years. Then we started working together. And then Ajay started his own company with Pyar To Hona Hi Tha. So then he said, "Okay, come and work with me." Then Pyar To Hona Tha happened. Hindustan Ki Qasam happened. Raji Chacha happened. Dil Kya Kare, Prakash Jha made that film. And then I made Zameen. I was carefree because I knew that I don't need to struggle because Ajay is there. Like my first film happened because of Ajay. Zameen happened because of Ajay. Zameen bombed, then again he stood by me, and then Golmaal happened. And when we were making Golmaal, I knew like a lot of people in the industry were making fun. Like one action director and one action hero are making a comedy film.
Right.
It's making in disaster.
Right.
And then Golmaal happened. Be honest, follow your dream, don't listen to anyone, nobody knows anything.